Guys, this is me and this is our room. And it's giant.
I'm sleeping on the top. I'm sleeping on the top.
With two
I'm
rooms,
sleeping on the top.
a nice view, and upstairs. Room tour time. We've got the balcony, the bed, also these tweets, of course there. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna do it soon. We've got a chimney TV. Now it's time to go for the upstairs. We've got a nice couch with another TV and a wall. And just over here a washroom. And we've got two rooms. Just the view from the top. Pretty sick. I recommend buying a room like this. Almost like your house. I mean, look at this, guys. We got a sofa upstairs, two beds. Here, a big space right here. And they have some cushions here. And yeah, it's okay. And another washroom here. Let me just. So we've got clean things and soap. That's good. And a nice bath. Just that makes weird noises, but it doesn't matter. We're good. We got popcorn milk stuff. We've got pizza. Looks pretty good. And we've got a bunk bed, which I'm sleeping on the bottom. Nie, Milu,
Nie ma tyle łóżek, musimy we dwie spać. Będziesz ze mną spać?
a ja na górze,
Ty chcesz na górze? To śpi z Mileną na górze. Bo musicie... Ktoś musi spać we dwójkę, okej?
Nie, wy będziecie, ja biorę już w górę.
He's Jordan.
Where's Jordan sleeping?
Jordan is sleeping on that bed with me and Andrew.
Yeah,
we're good. If you want to, yeah. Okay.
I think for free or you can...
No, I'm sleeping upstairs.
If you want to sleep...
Okay, so we're just staying who's sleep. All we're doing is just agreeing who's sleeping where. Because I mean, I want to sleep upstairs. She wants to sleep upstairs, and we have to agree. No to albo śpi z mamą i tutaj na dole, albo sama na górze. Mam pomysł, będziemy razem na górze.
Ale ty będziesz.
Nie, ja nie. To ty raczej. Mamo, my śpimy na górze razem.
You and Milena want to sleep upstairs? To może on będzie spał na dole. A ty gdzie? Jakie sleep No.
Okay, so we decided have a good time and stay covered for Yo, my friend chilling out. Stay tuned for part 3, and remember, Great Wolf Lodge is cool.